Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image to shape in Canva. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to canva.com. So as you can see, I'm already on Canva. And then to start, what we are going to do is we are going to add an image. So if you go to the left-hand column and if you press uploads, and then we are going to bring in a picture. Here we go. So I've got one of a really cute puppy that I have created. And then what we are going to do is we are going to search for frames. So this is going to be under elements. So if you go to the left hand side again and press on the elements button, and then as you see, we're going to type in frames and press enter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press this see all button. And then as you can see, it has brought up a huge selection of frames for us. So we are going to pick, let's see what we fancy. So yeah, you've got some squares, rectangles, triangles. Because it's a cute doggy puppy, I'm going to pick the heart. So what I'll do is I will pick, hold down my mouse and bring over the heart. So we shape it. There we go, get it to shape. And now what we want to do is we want to send this frame to the back and we want to bring the picture forward. So if we highlight the picture, right click on the mouse and go to layer. And then what we're going to do is click bring to front. There we go. So we have now brought the picture to front. And as we then select the picture and hold it over the frame, as you can see, Canva then is putting our picture within the frame. And there we go. That looks absolutely gorgeous. It's done a really good job of putting the puppy right in the middle, which I think looks amazing. And then you can obviously try different frames if you want to. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to detach image. And then I'm going to delete the heart behind. And then let's look for another frame that we might like. Let's see. So let's go for this funky one here. Here we go. So we bring that. So again, what we need to do is we need to bring the image to the front. So there we go. So if we highlight the image and we're going to press layer and we're going to say bring to front. And then as we hover over, as you can see again, Canva has put the picture within the frame. And then there we go. So that is how you crop an image to shape in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. We really appreciate it so much. And we'll see you guys in the next one.